Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I want to share with you today is a quick insight to our options membership and what it's all about. So this is a little clip put together, cut from different segments of the options membership class and session that we ran not too long ago. So again, it might be a day or so old, but I'll give you an insight on what the options membership is all about. Now, enjoy this clip. If you're interested in the options membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. You can go here and you can go to the membership section. That will link you up to our membership website. And once you're here, you can go ahead and take a look at the option ideas and strategies. And this is what it's all about. You'll get a sample clip right now, and you can also learn more insight right here. And there's also a couple of sample videos as well right there. Now, for watching this video, I will give you a little bonus and discount. And what you can do, I'll just show you right here. When you scroll down, if you're interested in signing up, you can type in the coupon code Share the Love, do it all together, and you'll see apply the coupon code. It'll give you, I think it's 50% off the first month. So off the first month, you can get the first month half off, and then it'll renew. And if you're not interested, of course, you could just go ahead and cancel before that time is up. So that's a little bonus for those of you that are watching this video. Keep in mind, if you're watching this video 6 months later or a year later, the coupon code may not work. So understand that coupon codes do expire and they do change. And in that case, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So anyways, one other quick little bonus is remember that if you go to the Traders Fly website, go to the Getting Started page. There's also an Options Trading 101 for those of you completely brand new to options. Anyways, enjoy the clip. I think you'll get a lot out of it and seeing what our member section has to offer. So here, what I'm going to do is I will go ahead and take a look at here, just to look at here the SPX. You can see we've been kind of going up for quite a while, right? Been going up for quite a while. We had this down day in the market that's pretty significant there the other day on Monday, trying to come back a little bit from that. And you know, and what you're thinking, or what I'm thinking is, hey, why don't I get a vertical over here and sell a vertical, because here's kind of our support I'm looking at. But if I can get a vertical or sell something around this 3,200 level, that'll put me under this swing point. So if I can do something like that, but also even do it protected, because what if we keep going down? That could be an issue. So why don't I go ahead and do that? 3,205, 3,200. That might be a good little spot. So I'm going to see where I can get vertical wise, like around the 3,100 or 3,200. So that's what I'll do here. SPX, we'll take a look and probably start somewhere around, 10, 15, 20 days out. The reason for that is just to give a little bit of room and premium. So 3,200, I still got a 10 delta. Let's just start here, because I want 3,200, even 3,100 would be maybe even better. But let's see what kind of premium we'll get. Sell a vertical. And what I want to see is kind of the difference here, and I will go maybe 50 points difference in between each one. The reason for that is just to give a little bit of a spread. So here I'm using about $4,000, almost 5,000 to make 200. So if you look at this on a calculator level, so about $200 on $5,000 is not amazing. It's 4%, but it's only like 2 weeks. 4% in 2 weeks is quite amazing. So here, if we're doing that, and maybe I go to November 6th, I can get probably better premium, or even November 9th, I can get a little bit more premium. And I might do something like that because I need a little more premium to offset that protection. So here I might do something like November 13th or even November 11th. I'm kind of choosing this based on the premium. So here I go November 18th, I get $430 of premium, which you could see at this lower left level right over here, 435 on premium on $4,500 of capital. So it's about 10% now, rather than the 4%. So it just depends. Do you want more premium, or do you want a little bit more less duration in the trade? Now the other way to do that is kind of tighten this up and do like 30-75, so that way you're using less cash. And even do 30.80. That one's not traded. 30.85 also not traded. Let's say 30.90. Nope. So 30.75, and maybe I'll do shorter duration. So now I got $200 on $2,300 of risk. So I could bump this on 3 or 4 contracts. Now the issue with this is a pretty steep slope. So what I will do is I will go ahead and do a custom order here, and we could buy 1 extra put. But unfortunately, here's the problem with that. That really converts my position a little bit too much. So what I will need to do actually here is I will need to go ahead and go to the trade tab. We're going to do November 13th. It's about my 24 days out. So that's after the election. So think of this as like an election protected spread. Analyze the trade, and now I will go, I could even go into a further duration just so that way I'm a little bit extra protected. And I don't need to buy too much protection here. Now let's do the same expiration. Here we go. Let's see. So now what you can see is even if this thing tanks in a big way, I'm very protected. And if it goes up, at least you'll make some money. It's not a ton, but you do make some, $205, because it's protected. What I want you to watch here is the zoomed in version of this. So it's kind of like, hey, I'm willing to long invest, but I want to be protected with it, so I'm a little more cautious. And sometimes what you may need to do and find is that, hey, I need 4 or 5 or 6 contracts and offset this by 1 or 2. And that gives you more protection than if you did it without. You could see that slope is too significant. So this is kind of known as a back ratio spread. So it's a hedged vertical. So this could be one of the strategies that I would look to do. All right, so there you go. I hope you got some good insight to what the Options Ideas membership is really all about. Really looking at the current market conditions, different strategies and things you could do, and answer some of your questions, kind of like a little mini private Q&A in a way, or more intimate at least. So I hope you join us. Just go ahead and go to the Traders Fly website right there. You could go to the members section, and once you go to the members section, you'll be linked up to the page here. So thank you so much. When you're ready, go ahead and join us also on the newsletter list by clicking the link over here, or subscribe on YouTube if you're brand new as well. Thanks again, and I will see you next time, and hopefully in the Options Members section.